In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change camera angle in Fortnite. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be presenting these settings related to your camera in Fortnite. I'm going to teach you how to find them and how to change the settings that you have currently active. So there isn't a lot that you can change. However, if you go over to these settings and you access the game category, as you can see over here, the main option is going to be the field of view. So you have the minimum field of view and the maximum field of view. So this basically tells you how much you are going to see on your screen. The higher the field of view, the more you will see from your surroundings, the sides and corners of the screen. Now, the minimum is, like the name implies, what you are always going to see regardless of the situation, and the maximum is going to be the potential maximum that you will see. So sometimes your field of view is going to increase and it can get to 105 degrees maximum. However, it will not go over this. Of course, I can set the maximum to 90, for example, and then in that situation, it wouldn't go over 90. So all that you have to do is customize the field of view according to your preferences and apply. Now, usually there was meant to be another setting here called invert view. For some reason, my game doesn't have it. I have looked in all other tabs, but I couldn't find invert view. Some people like to use inverted camera. This means that when you move your mouse up, instead of panning the camera upwards, it is going to pan it down. This is also another consideration that you have if you go over to this window. Now, if you go to the mouse and keyboard settings, you will be able to change the sensitivity. Although this isn't necessarily related to the camera, it still applies on how you are going to move your camera around. So the higher the sensitivity, it is going to be easier to move the camera in that axis. So you can change the x-axis and the y-axis, so looking up and down and left and right. I hope I was able to help you on how to change camera angle in Fortnite. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.